Hi, it's Damian here from ReBuilding Burnout. I just wanted to take a few moments to provide you with some insights into the program's origins and its content. So the program's come about primarily through my own personal experience of spending several years and tens of thousands of dollars managing burnout and chronic fatigue. Now during this time I participated in university trials, I was an inpatient at medical facilities, I went to health retreats, I engaged a number of medical professionals delving into Western and Eastern mythologies. And what became abundantly clear to me during this time, whilst I felt I wasn't getting the results that I had hoped for, was that there wasn't a program actually run by entrepreneurs, run by business owners who had been through a similar experience and could take their learnings and share them with me so that I could implement that into my life and into my business. Hence, the ReBuilding Burnout program was created. So the program runs for 2 months and it commences with a wonderful weekend retreat on the Gold Coast. Now here, we're going to provide you with the critical information that you need to understand the science of burnout. What's happening in the mind, neurologically, what's happening in the body in relation to sports physiology. So you can identify various signs and symptoms when you're at risk of burnout and also be provided with the tools to help you transition gently into peak performance and be able to balance between the two. Each participant is going to be supported to create your own personalized program, extracting the best information from the weekend, the information that you feel is of most value to you. The other critical element to the weekend retreat is the aspects of structured change management built into the program. So as a change facilitator, I'm going to explain to you exactly why most change projects fail, and I'm going to give you the tools and the information that you need so that you can successfully implement changes into your life and into your business. And importantly, in the weeks following the retreat, you're going to receive one-to-one support from a variety of professionals so that you can successfully implement your newfound information, implement your plan into your life and into your business. So if this sounds like something that might be of value to you right now, please reach out and give me a call so we can have a discussion around exactly where you're at right now and what you might benefit from the program. In the meantime, I want to wish you the very best of health and happiness and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye for now.